Well, all right, it's Wesley with Expandacraft here with another video. We are going downwind and with the river's current. This is the Oclockney River in the panhandle of Florida. It's the mouth of the river from the Gulf of Mexico. We're headed towards that bridge at 4 miles per hour. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this boat. This is the 12-foot pedal-powered kayak that I bought used for $500. And then I put the Expandacraft Outrigger Kit, and you'll see that it has the wave-piercing bows sticking out here. No waves to pierce right this minute. And then we have an electric motor. That is a 55-pound thrust electric motor with a lead-acid battery, which I bought a 105 amp hour battery. Should be good for 15 miles at full blast, but if you do what I'm doing right now, which is just a little bit of motor, and I'm going almost dead downwind, so I'm still making 4 miles an hour. You have these options. You can pedal and sail. You can pedal and motor, sail and motor, or any one of those individually. Of course, the more pedal and sail power that you use, the less electricity you use. So you can get by without using the motor at all for quite some time. As a matter of fact, it was an upwind beat coming here. I did about 4.5 miles today, and I didn't use the motor at all until I started going downwind. And the only reason I'm doing it is just to give it a test, see how many hours this battery lasts at that charge level and at that discharge level, which is right now 2 cracks below full throttle. So I'm about 3/4 throttle, and I'm still doing 4 miles an hour with a very gentle pedal and the sail. If I quit pedaling, I lose about 1 mile per hour. So I can take a break, still be moving 3 miles per hour towards my destination, 4.5 miles away, and have plenty of battery left over, even if all I did was motor at full throttle. Even full throttle takes up a lot more energy than 3/4 throttle. 3/4 throttle, you could probably go more than twice the distance than at full throttle. That's just the way electric motors work. They're more efficient if you're not in a big hurry. And honestly, it's so beautiful out here. Why would I want to be in a hurry? Expandacraft Outrigger. It's got 3 decks on either side. I do this because I can either push the decks together and pitch my tent on that, or I have a piece of plywood actually that I put down across here that's in the back, which lets me pitch a tent in the back, and this part of the boat where the pedals and the seat is still open, so I can get out here and put my seat on one side. I can put the gas oven on the other side, have my tent basically behind where I'm sitting in the kayak at the moment. It's a 12-foot kayak. Eventually we're going to do a tandem. This is the solo expedition. The tandem will be a tandem expedition. Stay tuned for more of that. Subscribe to our channel, and when I build it, you will see it. Expandacraft.com.